Pinapansin ako po. Ganito. Tapos ganito. Ganito. Hindi ka pa pinansin. May kaiba na dun sa lalaki.
Where'd all the time go? It's starting to fly. See how the hands go, waving no, I get so forgetful when I look in your eyes. Now she's walking backwards through a parade, and I'm stuck in the shadows, blocking the shade. Ain't no way to sweep up the mess.
Nakapalin yung nakalimutan ko eh. Sabi ko, ito siguro yung principle of ano. Tapos di ko alam kung ano yun. Principle of what?
She gets dressed up like a pillow, so she's always in bed. Flowers for the sick and dead. She's on the go, way too fast and way too slow. She'll turn the stone in hospitals and funeral homes. And when the fog rises, somebody sighs who is not in disguise anymore. There's nothing to keep you from falling in love. It starts at the bottom, it comes from above, like pieces of a puzzle, like a hand in a glove. She gets dressed up like a pillow, so she's always in bed. Flowers for the sick and dead. She's on the go, way too fast and way too slow. She'll turn to stone in hospitals and funeral homes. And when the tide rises, somebody sinks and is gone in the blink of an eye. Somebody sinks and is gone in the blink of an eye.
In one word, how would you describe Gian?
Competent.
Straightforward.
Direct.
Beautiful soul.
Caffeinated.
Mabait.
Journalist. Unique.
People smart.
Competent. How?
Like, bakit may how? Kasi, kaya ni Gian gawin yung mga bagay na pinapagawa sa kanya. Kasi lagi she always finds a way to do things. So besides competent, she's also very resourceful. Tsaka, lagi siya nag-e-effort sa mga ginagawa niya. Minsan kahit hindi niya naman ginagawa ng effort, ang ganda pa rin ng ginagawa niya. Ang ganda na nagiging kinakalabas.
Yes. She always makes sure she does the job. And basta yun. Do you love that about her?
Yeah.
What more do you love about her?
I love how Gian is. Mabilis siyang mag-isip. She's very witty. Like,
Yes.
minsan, ang random na sasabihin ko, tas she matches my face.
Yes.
Minsan mas malala pa yung
Yes.
sasabihin.
Yes, we love that about
Yeah, I
Gian.
love that about you.
Yes.
We're so goated twins.
Yes. Why?
Ay, ba't may hindi sabi?
Why straightforward?
Kasi like, pag may mistake kang nagawa, idediretso na yun sa'yo. Hindi siya yung parang ipapadaan niya pa sa other way. Like, parang inihin pa niya, parang hindi idediretso niya, which is what I like about her.
Yes, me too. I like that about her.
Siguro, responsible siya kasi alam niya yung limits niya. Like, gano'ng karami yung kayang in-handle. So, hindi niya like, nag-take
Yeah.
ng bagay na hindi niya naman na talaga kaya.
Yes, we love that about Gian.
Direct? Why direct? Because whenever she has an opinion on something, she's always direct with it. She always says what's on her mind. Yeah. Diba? Do you love that about her? Yeah? Bakit ka nag-isip? Bakit ka nag-isip? Yeah? Yeah?
Oh, why?
She may give I don't give a fuck attitude about you and don't talk to me kung wala kang magandang sasabihin. Pero may pakiyan sa'yo, okay? Huwag ka magpapadala sa resting bitch face yan. May pakiyan sa lahat ng tao.
Bakit?
Kasi like, alam naman natin ang coffee, nagpapagising sa atin yan. And siya yung nagbibigay ng energy, kahit patay na bata siya.
Organize.
Sabi ko one word lang. Oh, sige.
Bakit?
Masinop sa gamit. Ito pinagano. Tapos, inaagaw yung favorite color.
So, bakit mo siya dinus?
Alam kong favorite na magsulat ng mga picture and creative writing.
And what do you like about her piece?
I can see that she's very passionate in her writing. Especially in the way she conveys
She conveys her thoughts.
she conveys her thoughts, particularly in writing picture pieces.
Kasi minsan lang makakita ng taong katulad niya. Tsaka ibang ori si Gian.
Tama.
Force of nature siya.
Why?
Kasi si Gian yung isa sa mga taong kilala niya yung mga nagsasurround sa kanyang mga tao. Kilala niya yung mga good influence and bad influence sa kanya. And na pa-prioritize niya yung mga taong nag-appreciate sa kanya.
Parang iba yung sinabi mo dun sa ibang video.
Kasi nga,
Birthday, Gian. 18th birthday. I am wishing you the best sa mga endeavors mo sa buhay. God bless you all. Enjoy.
Wow!
Hello, I'm Sir William from Rizal National Science High School. I'm the math teacher of Gian. Happy birthday! Happy 18th birthday!
Oh, what's your wish, sir?
Yes, so study hard and you can make it.
Ready?
I-cut mo na lang
Oh, sige. Okay lang yan.
mo ko nang sasabihin mo.
Sasabihan kita, sir, na sasabihin mo.
Oo.
Oh, sige. Happy birthday, Gian.
Hi Gian, happy birthday!
Ano bang wish niya, sir? I wish you all the best.
Yeah, I wish you all the best. Alam mo, yung tao sa likod ng kamerang to, marami siyang sinasabi, nasabihin ko, tinatingin ko dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday sa'yo.
Yun lang, sir?
Hindi.
Ano pa?
Ikakat-kat mo naman yun, di ba?
Ano pa? Mag-aral ka ng mabuti.
Happy birthday, guys.
Yeah. Ulitin natin.
Okay,
Happy birthday, Gian. 18 years old ka na. Marami nang nangyari. Pero marami pang mangyayari. At isa sa marami pang mga mangyayari ay marami mo pang matututunan. Kaya support all the way. God bless you, girl.
Okay na, sir?
Yes.
Hi, Gian. I'm your teacher in General Mathematics, Ma'am Eloisa. Happy birthday or happy 18th birthday. Wish ko para sa'yo is good health, more blessings, at the same time, mag-aral ng mabuti para makamit ang pangarap.
Yeah! Happy birthday, Gian. Happy birthday, Gian. Happy birthday, Gian. Say happy birthday, Gian.
Happy birthday, Gian.
Happy birthday, Gian. Happy birthday, Gian.
Happy birthday. Say happy birthday, Gian.
May ano, yung sabi ba? I have more gifts. Yung akong agad na neighbor, no, ng Jollibee.
Yes.
Appreciate it.
Yes.
So much.
Yes, we love Gian. Oh, makeup artist. Makeup artist. Yes, makeup.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Gian. Say happy birthday, Gian.
Happy birthday, Gian!
Happy birthday, Gian. Happy birthday, Gian.
Ito tayo do.
Happy birthday, Gian! I miss you.
Oh. Guys, say happy birthday, Gian.
Ako din. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Gian!
Happy birthday, Gian.
So cool.
Yes.
Happy birthday, Gian.
Huwag mo ang gawin yung jowa ko. May jowa ka sa'yo. Say happy birthday, Gian.
Happy birthday, Gia.
No words can No words can describe you.
Happy birthday, Gian!
Happy birthday, Gian.
Louder!
Happy birthday, Gian. Happy birthday, Gian.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday po kay Gian Naratudia. Kasi 18 years old na siya, pwede siya makulong. Huwag naman sana. Alam mo ba, nung robotics namin, niyaya ko yan. Sabi ko, uy, tara, concert tayo. Tapos umayag siya. Like, gano'n.
Grabe ang yapper na. Ang sasabihin ko lang, I think Gian is a very great friend. We have a lot of differences. Like, kapares kami ni Natin, like, we're very different from each other. Pero it works out. Hi, Gian. We love you, Gian. Kami ng tatay mo,
Tugugin natin si Gian. Kaano-ano niyo po si Gian?
Anak ko po siya.
Pangalawa po. Sino yung una?
Si Iza.
Sino yung tatay?
Ay, Chico!
You're the only friend I need. Share beds like little kids and laugh until our ribs get tough. But that will never be enough. Never be enough. That will never be enough.
School bag in hand, she leaves home in the early morning, waving goodbye with an absent-minded smile. I watch her go with a surge of that well-known sadness, and I have to sit down for a while. The feeling that I'm losing her forever, and without really entering the world, I'm glad whenever I can share her laughter, that funny little girl. Slipping through my fingers all the time, I try to capture every minute, the feeling in it. Slipping through my fingers all the time. Do I really see what's in her mind? Each time I think I'm close to knowing, she keeps on growing. Slipping through my fingers all the time. Sleep in our eyes, her and me, at the breakfast table. Barely awake, I let precious time go by. Then when she's gone, there's that odd melancholy feeling and the sense of guilt I can't deny. What happened?